Hello everyone. If you are watching this video, chances are that you are preparing for your first medical coding interview or planning to enter the healthcare industry as a fresher. Let me ask you something. Have you ever felt confused thinking, what kind of questions will they ask? Will they test anatomy? Is ICD-10 enough or do I need more? If these questions are running in your mind, don't worry, you're at the right place. In today's video, we are going to discuss some of the most commonly asked medical coding interview questions for freshers, so you know exactly what to expect in a real interview. Medical coding is one of the fastest growing careers in the healthcare industry, and in our country, the job openings are plenty. But with hospitals, insurance companies, and healthcare providers hiring the skilled coders, the competition is also increasing. That's why interviewers don't just check certificates, they check how much concept clarity you have. Most medical coding interviews focus on three core subjects: anatomy, physiology, and pathology, along with basic coding knowledge like ICD-10, CPT, and HCPCS. Okay, let me explain this further. Let's start with some basic medical coding interview questions for freshers that are very commonly asked. Like, what is medical coding? Medical coding is the process of converting medical diagnosis, procedures, and services into standardized codes used for billing and documentation. What are ICD-10, CPT, and HCPCS codes? ICD-10 codes are used for diagnosis. CPT codes are used for procedures. HCPCS codes are used for supplies and non-physician services. What is medical necessity? Medical necessity means that a procedure or service must be clinically justified to be paid by insurance. And why is HIPAA important in medical coding? HIPAA ensures patients' data privacy and confidentiality. These questions check whether your basics are strong, making this very important for freshers. Now, let's move to anatomy questions. This is a core area in medical coding interview. They ask the questions like how many bones are there in the human body? An adult human body has 206 bones. Which organ produces insulin? The pancreas produces insulin. What are the planes of the human body? Sagittal, frontal, transverse. Interviewers ask these questions to see if you can understand the clinical documentation correctly. Now, if you feel like, okay, I understand these questions, but I want more practical and more real interview level questions, then we have got you covered. We have a detailed blog on medical coding interview questions for freshers that has helped many aspirants crack their medical coding interview. You can check the blog for more question, answer, and preparation clarity. The link is in the description. Make sure you save it for revision. Now, let's continue. Physiology questions test your understanding of how the body functions. Like, what are the functions of red blood cells? Red blood cells carry oxygen from the lungs to the body tissues. How does blood flow through the heart? Blood flows from the right atrium to right ventricle, then to lungs, then to left atrium, then to left ventricle, and finally to the body. And what are the functions of the kidneys? Filter waste, maintain fluid balance, regulate blood pressure. Now comes pathology part, which focuses on disease. They ask the questions like, what is the difference between benign and malignant tumors? Benign tumors are non-cancerous. Malignant tumors are cancerous and can spread. What is COPD? COPD stands for chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, which affects breathing. How is diabetes classified in ICD-10? Type 1 diabetes, E10. Type 2 diabetes, E11. These pathology questions test whether you can connect the disease with correct codes. Okay, so before we wrap up, here are 3 important tips for freshers. First, revise anatomy, physiology, and pathology regularly. Second, Understand the logic behind ICD-10 codes, don't just mug up. And last, practice explaining the answers in simple words. Remember guys, confidence comes from clarity. Before you leave, one last reminder. If you want more medical coding interview questions for freshers, including detailed explanations, make sure you check out our blog at llri.in, which has helped several students successfully crack their medical coding interviews, and it's a great resource for last-minute preparation. The link is in the description. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. All the best for your medical coding interview. You have got this. See you in the next video.